Of course, he was here for the first week. He hadn't played the previous 2 weeks. So I thought it was an advantage for me because it's tough to get used to the weather. As everyone is telling again and again, it's pretty hot and humid. So I had it back in my mind that I have the upper hand in this match. But no doubt he's a top seed. He has done something to reach up there. So I wasn't taking back anything from him. So yeah, I was pretty solid. I think I played the first set pretty well as well because I was 5-3 serving, but the momentum kind of shifted and I was a bit loose. So he took the advantage and went a set up, but I managed to come back pretty well.
Yeah, it's very, very humid. I've been here for the past 2 days training. It's really, really hard trying to save some energy. But yeah, I mean, he's a player. He's been here for a few weeks, more used to that. He did well in the previous week, so it's gonna be a tough match. Very good player, solid, very good points today, and yeah, it was just a matter of who was better physically and mentally, and at the end he was better at that.